Inbound from east over. Reloading, stand by. Echo 3-1, Vital 1-1 on approach, ready to go.
Alright, so this time I'm going to just run with no backup recording, and I'm using the H6 recorder as my line in and see how this works. Optimally, this is where I want to be, so I don't have to record a bunch of files, but if it doesn't work, then I can work with recording. Is that somebody? Oh shit.
Enemy at the checkpoint.
Taking the lead.
There's a I suck, dude. Oh my god, that's so sucky. Where'd he go? Oh. Oh yeah, now he wants to shoot.
Target acquired.
The hell? All my team is weird. They're like all hanging out around this outside. Bro, you're heavy, dog. All that. Like. Get off those steps.
Enemy care package is up.
Flash out! Target down!
Oh yeah, this is the setup, baby. Oh.
We're in the lead.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
Enemy precision airstrike inbound. Take cover.
Do it again. Oh shit, man. The second I look away. Oh my god. Oh shit.
Reloading.
I don't know what gun to use.
Reloading.
There's so many of them. Yeah, so I didn't know what gun to use because there were so many of them and I had so many options, and both my guns need to be reloaded, so that's going to be an issue. And I missed 2 shots of my sniper, so that can't happen. In the world is that? Put that down, dude. What are you running around with a TV in your hand for, dog?
Friendly VTOL in the air. Friendly counter-UAV active.
Jump up to get shot down. Oh, you barely made it, player.
Reloading.
Oh shit.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
I think he saw me. So that's the cargo containers then. I need to learn the spots, call outs on this game too. Where'd he go? Someone kill him? No footsteps. And that stupid ass airplane's all loud. Doesn't even kill anyone. No chance, baby. Oh my god, dog. This setup though. I'm scared to even post this. This is crazy.
Reloading. Enemy in the pallet store.
Why are you doing that?
Ready. Halfway there. Keep fighting.
This is Falcon 3-0. Good copy.
Oh, I didn't see you.
Visual on that position.
Well, I saw you, but it was too late. Dang, I'm not that good. Well, I want to know. That killer? This fool is shooting a rocket, dog.
Enemy in the pallet store.
UAV is out of fuel. Returning to resupply.
Friendly sentry gun online. Friendly care package on the way.
I didn't even hit the door. You don't know what's going on.
Enemy
Oh,
shield
good.
active.
What happened to him? Oh my god. Oh. Give me them headshots, baby. Oh my god. He's scared, look. Whoa, what's going on there? What? Oh. Yeah, I'm starting to see where the range is an issue with the suppressor. But what the hell? I need this person right here. I don't know what.
UAV online.
I don't know why you think there's so much slide out. Let me just put my elbow out there and see you get your arm shot off.
Enemy care package inbound.
Oh fuck. Get that care package, dog. Jack it from him.
Friendly precision airstrike.
Oh, I thought he was gonna go. You dead up there? Give me that. Oh, this game cheats, man, and it knows it.
Less than a minute. We're winning this fight. Over back. Captain.
Where am I getting shot from?
Friendly cluster strike inbound.
Oh. I'm feeling trapped.
Enemy cruise missile incoming. 20 seconds. Time's up. Get moving.
This is crazy. 48, we'll take that win, and I'll take top of the charts. I'm telling you, man, the setup might be what's up. This setup might be the one that does it for me. It might ever change. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna have to post this game too because as you can see, 2-0, sniper, P90, testing out the other audio way. Let's see how it goes.